How to clear trusted computers on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then from the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Developer Settings. Now if you do not have Developer, you go into Privacy and Security and you can turn it on in Developer mode. So to go into Developer and then tap on Clear Trusted Computers. And that's it. So when you tap on it, it will remove trusted computers and will delete all of the records of computers that you have paired with previously. So just tap on that. Okay, so you can see that once I have cleared the trusted computers, if I reconnect to the computer, I need to give my trust permission again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.